like, comment, share, and don't forget to hit on the subscribe button. Hello guys, you are welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to ventilate using the ventilating pin, just as I promised in my previous video. Alright, so what I'm doing here is I'm creating a 4x4 closure, and this time round I'm using the ventilating pin. Okay guys, so this is how you go about it. Okay, so if you're watching this video, please take note of these 4 things. 1, make sure your thumb is holding the hair. Okay, you've bent the hair and then the thumb is holding it strongly. Then you pull through with a bit tension, but not too much because you are going to tear the lace if you do with the strong arms. Then you turn the hair upside down to face the hole. Gently pass it through the hole. Okay, so 1, you need to make sure your thumb is holding the hair in the right position, and then you make sure that you gently pull out the hair you've picked through the hole. Then you twist or you turn the needle down so it can pass through the hole. Okay, so guys, this is a very simple step. If this is new for you, or if this is your first time you are going to try ventilating, then take this note. All right, so for the needle to pass through the hole, with the hair, you make sure you turn, okay, the needle down facing the lace. Then you make sure there's tension between your hand and then where the needle is before you pull through. Okay, so guys, this is all the steps you need in your ventilating lesson. I hope this will help you, and if you have any suggestions or any comments, or if there is anything you don't really get, you can put it in the comment section below. If you are new on this channel, don't forget to like and share, and don't forget to hit on the subscribe button if you haven't. See you in my next video, and enjoy the rest of the tutorial. Okay, so this is how the closure I made turned, and I hope you've seen it looks almost just like the one they've been selling. Okay, so guys, I got my ventilating pin from Justlin with tools. I'll be leaving a link down below, but you can actually check them out on Instagram and also get yours. Alright, I hope this tutorial was very helpful, and I hope you also like and share this video, and thank you for watching. Bye.